Like, subscribe and click the bell icon for rawindia.
From the creation of the planet Earth, woodlands are the part and parcel of living creatures. India is such a country that has vast forest land from ancient time. In different religious books and epics, forests have been described as one of the main features of this land. A 2010 study by the Food and Agriculture Organization ranks India amongst the 10 countries with the largest forest area coverage in the world. Woodlands are sparse forests with trees and shrubs. Many native plant species are attracted to water or require moist soil to establish their roots. They have good life cycle as a full-grown tree, and in some cases, even after they seem to be dead, they nurture a lot of life. Woodlands are often transition zones between different ecosystems such as grasslands, wetlands, and deserts. Large herbivores are a driving force of woodland-grassland cycle. The mutual interactions between the population dynamics of large herbivores and carnivores develop in a eutrophic woodland. Animal and birds like eagles, hornbills, bison, tigers, leopards, deers, and many others are present here. Almost all the remaining woodlands have seen some management by humans. Our trees and woodlands have a direct impact on the environment and climate. We need to join hands to save our natural resources, that is, our forests.
For more exploratory and fun videos, make sure you like, subscribe and click the bell icon for rawindia.